Here's how to download Good Lock app in your Galaxy device. Go ahead and open the Galaxy Store. In Galaxy Store, select Apps and tap on the search app icon. Here, search for Good Lock. Under Apps, here you will find the official Good Lock app. Just tap on Good Lock and just tap on this install option, and the official Good Lock app will be installed in your Galaxy device in just a few seconds. Once it's installed, go back to your app library. In app library, here you will find Good Lock. Open it. Tap on agree and continue. And here you can now use Good Lock on your Galaxy device. That's it.